how to play with friends on eFootball. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video, I will show you how you can play eFootball 2023 with friends. It's very simple to do so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, on our previous versions of PS, we had until PS 2021 or PS 2022, we had to add friends and then we had to create a room. They would join our room just like that. Now it is not so different in eFootball, but just to play with friends, it's actually a little bit different process, but it's very simple. Let's say that you are the host and you are trying to invite your friend. What you need to do is first you have to come to the match option, and then over here you have to go to the option called friend match. And over here you have to choose the option called create match room. So right over here you can see create match room. Just click on it, and then here you can set a password if you want so that others cannot enter it, but that's simply not necessary because they need a code. So we're just going to leave that off, and then we're going to choose the option called create. Now once we create our match room, we have to wait until the other players want to join. So how do the other person join? So in order for the other person to join, you can see the room number at the very top, which is your match room number. So this room number, you have to give it to your friend. So just copy this room number and you have to give this room number to your friend. And then after that, let's say you are the friend again. I'm just going to close the match room just for example. Then if you are the friend, then you have to go to search match room. And if your friend goes to search match room, they have to enter the room number. And once they enter the room number over here, they'll just click on the search button. And if there is a match room with this room created, because in my case I ended it, if there is a match room with this room created, then they'll be able to successfully join that room and then play eFootball with you. And that's all it takes to play eFootball with friends. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.